I took the bug out for a drive, quick spin. It was starting to snow. My plan was to go drifting, do something with it. Turned out that maybe my trans went out or my clutch went out. Maybe it could be my clutch that went out because I was able to put it into first gear and it was slipping the whole time, so I'm pretty sure it could be my clutch. What I'm gonna do right now is drain out all the trans fluid, maybe see if there's any bits from the transmission. So right now I got it jacked up on my 4-post lift, my homemade 4-post lift on our 4 jack stands, and I'm gonna get down there and start draining some fluid. So I actually do have a brand new clutch right here. I ordered it probably about 4 years ago in 2017. I'm pretty sure it probably still has the date there. It's an old box, stock clutch, 200mm clutch. Nothing fancy at all. Alright guys, so right now I'm taking off the engine. Got all the wiring off. Everything's unbolted, so I'm gonna get it off right now. So I got the engine off. My throwout bearing is still good, it looks like it. So next I'm gonna tackle on is the clutch, and hopefully we can get that fixed. So I was right, the clutch actually went out. It's gone. Look at that, there's nothing on there. That's the new one right there. That's the old one, look at that. There's like almost nothing, and closer to the inside there's like nothing in there. So we'll be putting this on in a bit. Got the clutch on, the new clutch on. The old one was really bad, so I'm gonna make sure that I break in the clutch in. Probably do 200 to 300 miles and then I'll start ripping it. Alright guys, so I got the engine on, transmission's working. It goes into gear, first gear, second gear, they roll. I also decided to clean up my wiring. I taped up all my wires. I'm gonna get some wire wrap and slip all the wire in. That way it can look a lot nicer, kind of like that braided style fuel line. So right now I got it in second gear. Alright guys, so a lot has happened. I changed the clutch. Everything's smooth with that now. Another thing happened, the flywheel seal wasn't seated right, so it started leaking oil into the clutch and started making my clutch slip. I fixed that all within the same day. That's all good. I know there's no issue with that anymore. Something else happened. I did notice one thing, because the bug was still slipping and I totally knew it wasn't the clutch. So then I decided to look onto the axle. The axle's good, and I came up upon another issue, that the splines that go onto the drum, so there's no more splines in there, and there's supposed to be splines, and they all fell out. They're right there on the floor. So I ordered new drums. So the splines on the rear drums, they're gone. The rear drums aren't no good, only this side, but I ordered new drums for the rear, and so that should fix my issue. For the front, in the future I'm gonna do disc brakes, so it's gonna be really cool, a lot easier to stop, and it's gonna be a lot safer. I'll catch you guys on the next video. On the next video I'll install the drums and we should be ready to go, and I'll get a little cruise on the bug going on. So thanks for watching, have a good one, peace.